Welcome back to my channel. My name is Gabby and this is my sister Alice. Hello. And today we're going to be doing a slime challenge. So let's get starting. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. No. We get first. Pick it and then we add the glue. I'll pick mine. Number 8. Number 8, number 8. Red, I love red. I love red. Thank you. Number 9. Got this one. So now, Alice, pour in the glue. Big tub of glue. I just pour it in. That is enough, I think. Yeah. Alice. No, Alice, that's too much. That much. Just pour the glue in. Pour the glue in. Okay. Don't drop it. It's all round and glue. It's pretty. Let's go first. Oh gosh. Just pour the glue, Alex. Pouring. Pouring. Pour the glue. Pour. Pick it. Oh, rock, paper, scissors. No, pick it. I'll pick mine. What number did you get? I got number 1. Number 4. No! Number 1. Number 1. Doesn't matter, it looks pretty. I like it. It looks pretty. Yours can look like pudding. Oh gosh! It's squeaking. That's enough. That, Alice, you already have red paint. Put it back because you're going to put too much. That much. Now, go again. Do I need to put it back? No. Go again. This one. It's going to be blue. Number 5. Did I get number 5? Number 5. Number 5. Yes. I got it all on me. I need to use that. You need to use number. Yes, that. Pour it in all. Sure. So I got reds. Do I? Piece from the paper. Oh. Which one did you get? Number 10. Number 10. Number 10. This one. I'll pour that all in. And put it on the side over there. Number 7. Number 7? Can't be number 7? No, that one. That's number 3. Okay. This is going good. Going well. And let's grab another card. Number 1 and 1. That is enough. Number 1 and number 1. Gold! I got number 1 and number 1. 11. You got gold. Wait there. Whoa! Don't pour too much because it will ruin the slime. That might be enough. Okay. So, now I think it's my turn. Now grab a piece, Alice. Grab a paper. Number 3. Alice, can you pass me number 3? Number 3? Yeah. Number 3. Why did you do that? Dump it. What one did you get? Number 2. That's blue. The blue. Yay, the blue. And I get number 11. And I already know that. We need to... Oh. I'm just gonna... Okay, we used all the stuff. Now put the stuff back inside. Alice, that might be enough paint. That much. Now starting to mix. Oh, that's so lovely. Let's see that. Oh, that's turning out. I don't know what colour that might be. Brown.
Oh, that is disgusting.
Oh, that's disgusting. Disgusting.
How's it gonna be?
Oh,
Looks okay.
no, she's got black and I've got brown.
Is it black?
No, I got red.
Looks like poo.
No, that one looks.
Glitter poo.
Yeah, glitter poo. Unicorn poo. Unicorn poo.
Oh, unicorn. No. You have poo and Gabby have unicorn poo.
I have unicorn galaxy poo. Mine's got yellow. How did it get purple? It's purple. Yeah, it's purple. 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 Oh, grab the activator now. Only add a bit because... No, don't help me. I need to do it on my own, do I? Okay. That might be enough, Alice. Just stir it. Just clear good. Come here. I'm cooking it. I'm cooking it. You're not going to cook the slime. I am cooking it. Peter. Peter on the table. Don't. Peter jumping off now. He just likes to go on the table. Just like to tickle us. Not so good. But it's spiky. It's spiky. Stars hurt. Yeah, the stars hurt.
Okay, I will help Alice. Alice make nice poo.
No, I made purple.
That is a poo.
It's purple.
That is a poo.
It's unicorn. We're back. My dad helped my sister to do her slime because it was really sticky. And it was a bit hard. So now Alice, try to roll it into a ball. But I can't with my one. Yeah, it's too big. Slap the slime. Yeah. Alice, do this. So nice. Try to stretch it.
No, just stretch it.
It's so stretchy. Ow, it already hurt me. The stars. Look at my slime, it's like galaxy. Maybe I'll just... Galaxy. Look at Alice's purple slime.
It looks
Let's
like
borrow your
red.
slime for a minute. And you borrow my slime.
Yeah.
Alice has a purple slime. It's like a
And
brownish
Gabriella's
purple.
have
And it's unicorn poo.
and Gabriella's got galaxy black.
Beautiful. Here's me. Can you see me? You can't see them from there. Yeah. Through that black slime, Alice. Can you see me now? Yeah.
I can make a little bulb. I'm gonna make a stretch thing.
A bubble? You can't make a bubble with the slime. Stretch the slime. It's forming. No! My top. Naughty slimes.
Yeah, they're naughty slime.
So, the winner is me, Alice, because she made a bigger slime than me, and I just made a tiny slime, but it's galaxy, so we both have the same answers. So we both won, and it's a tie. So goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.